So test natin to. HFC na 201 Cybergun. So i-out natin siya ngayon. Dalawang klase to guys. Itong 202 which is yung mas mahaba. And then ito yung 201. So ito pang CQB lang. Okay, so short ano lang tayo, review lang tayo. So naka polymer receiver siya, polymer din na front assembly. So may front and rear sight na. Then polymer yung charging handle, may butterfly swivel, and then ito yung stock niya. So dun sa stock niya kasya ang 2.2 light battery. And then for the markings, ito lang yung markings niya guys. HFC markings. And then magazine niya is flash magazine. Nasa 300 rounds. So flash hider ito. Polymer grip. So budget meal to guys. Ang price is 9K. 9,000. Parehas nito. Okay, so test natin. Onti na lang guys ang meron nito ah. So kung interested kayo, kuha na kayo. Inquire na agad kayo. FPS out of the box pala 500 plus. Auto. So stock yan ha, 500 FPS. Okay, so for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.